Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to disable a run command for domain users using group policy in Windows Server 2025. By implementing this restriction, you can prevent standard network users from launching unauthorized system utilities, securing your client machines, and tightening overall network control. Well, if we open one of the client computers and press the Windows key +R, or search for the run window, you can see that the run box opens normally, without any restrictions. This means any standard domain user can easily access it and attempt to run commands or utilities. To secure this, we are going to create a group policy that completely disables the run window and prevents it from opening for these users. Let's move over to our domain controller and see how to set this up. From our domain controller, we will open Server Manager, click on the Tools menu in the top right corner, and select Group Policy Management. Expand your domain name on the left side. Find the specific organizational unit where your domain users are located, right-click on it, and select Create a GPO in this domain, and link it here. In the new GPO window, type in a clear and suitable name for the policy, such as Deny Run Box, so it is easy to identify later, and click OK. Now, right-click on the newly created GPO from the list and select Edit. This opens up the Group Policy Management Editor window, where we will configure the actual restriction. Then navigate to the exact path shown on your screen. I will leave the path in the video description. After that, look at the right side of the window for the policy named Remove Run Menu from Start Menu. Double-click on it to open its properties. In the configuration window, change the setting from Not Configured to Enabled. By enabling this policy, we are actively blocking the Run dialog box for any user in this OU. Finally, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now, securely close all open windows on the server. Let's return to our client computer to apply and test the changes. To ensure the new policy takes effect immediately, open a command prompt window and type the command gp update/force, then press enter. Now that the policy update is completed successfully, let's try to open the Run dialog box using Windows key +R shortcut. As you can see on the screen, instead of the Run box opening, we immediately get a restrictions error message stating this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. Even if a user tries to bypass this by searching for the Run application directly in the Start menu and clicking it, the system triggers the exact same restriction message, completely blocking their access. Disabling the Run command is a simple yet highly effective way to add an extra layer of security to your environment. It prevents standard domain users from casually launching administrative tools or executing unauthorized commands on client machines. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future IT and system administration guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.